Supplement Kings.
No!
We're just doing it raw. So, this is the gym I work at, Evolution Fitness. Introduce yourself.
No.
Supplement Kings is where you get all your supplements from.
I'm not ready for that today.
Supplements.
Caught me off guard.
Yeah, so I'm back. Right now I'm going to Supplement King to grab some seasoning from this company I've been seeing on Instagram called FlavorGod. So I'm gonna go check out their seasoning, and I'm gonna go to Costco and grab some food, and basically today's gonna be a meal prep. Yeah. And Princess is at work right now, so she'll be on the channel later on. She's coming over and we're gonna do some cooking. So, I'm at Supplement Kings, just got here. So this is the store, Supplement Kings. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? So this is Supplement Kings. They work with us at the gym. They have everything you need. Supplements, food, chocolate bars, everything. All the best brands, the best prices, everything. Okay, so I'm gonna try the everything, and I'm gonna try the Jamaican jerk seasoning. Am I the only one who does this? Who brings like every single bag with you? Who's trying to make 2 trips? Not me. So welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna do some cooking.
Oh my.
Stepping on your feet, so we're gonna do some cooking. So we got this new flavor, FlavorGod. We're gonna try it out. We got the everything flavor. We got the Himalaya salt. And we got the jerk chicken flavor. So I'm gonna try it out. So we're cooking ground chicken and ground turkey with mixed veggies. Yeah. So right now, I'm gonna steam this for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna mix the turkey with the ground chicken. So you don't have to really add anything to this because it makes it on oil. Okay, so I'm using the everything seasoning from FlavorGod and the jerk chicken seasoning. Let's see how it goes. I've never used this stuff before. You can put as much seasoning as you want. Everyone's different. I can't tell you how much seasoning I'm putting. It's just by eye. So I'm gonna put a lot of the jerk chicken seasoning. Yeah, this better be good. You can smell curry in it already. And this is the best salt. Always have this in your diet. It's better than actual regular salt. I think I put too much. So now this, bring the camera closer. This is done. Like, you don't really need to steam this for too long. Like 5 minutes and it's done. Yeah. So my portions are different from everyone else. I don't know. I go by eye. This is why people when they're cooking, they have like 10 different cameras.
I am loud. that I'm not.
Not in the background.
He's saying that I'm not loud enough, so.
It's not loud. Talk louder.
I am. I told you I'm tired. But anyways, you guys, this is my PJs. It actually does not look like a PJs though. This is what cool about it, because you could actually wear just the bottom. I've done this before. I took it to work and school actually. It's from La Senza. It's a Canadian company. It's so comfortable. I have like 4 different colors. Okay, so how is it going? The food?
Listen there, cooking is a lot. You're not about that, right?
I only cook once in a while, so I can't deal with getting burned and stuff. So
Tell the people where you're from.
I'm from Africa, you guys. Liberia. For those of you guys who don't know, Liberia, it's in West Africa. Yeah, and it's a pretty little, tiny little country with awesome people like me. Oh yeah, so I forgot to let you guys know that if you're interested in this, I'm gonna put that link in
The description.
I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yeah, it's my bad. See? 2 heads is better than 1. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just waiting on him to get that beef cooking. And then
Not beef. What the hell?
what is
Ground
that?
chicken.
Oh, ground chicken, my
Ground
bad.
turkey.
My bad, my bad.
So I don't measure cooking. I just, yeah. I'm not really about weighing my food right now.
So what are you doing over there?
I'm sharing out my food. I'm eyeing the food. That's how we do in Jamaica. When your family's sharing out food for you, you just eye it. Everybody gets a piece, you know?
Same as Africa.
So I put more, what do you call it? I put more veggies than meat. And that's the first half. Yeah. So the other ones, I'm just gonna put broccoli and the meat. Whew. It's looking good. Where the hell did you learn how to videotape? Holy bro.
On my phone, not using a camera.
Okay, so now we got broccoli because she doesn't know how to hold the camera. So now we gotta steam it. Same thing for like 3 minutes. Not too long.
I like my broccoli with just
Yo, we're
butter.
probably like the look. Can't even see my face. Hold this. Yo, we're probably like the worst people to show you how to do this.
I like my broccoli with just butter. Just the broccoli and butter.
Is it on video? You gotta tilt it. Oh man.
It
Listen,
is tilt.
See, this is what happens when you collaborate channel. So I just take 1 scoop. I do not measure this. I just go by eye. This is how my grandma used to share food. You gotta tilt the camera back. Go back. Yeah, tilt it. Up. Next way. Hey, this is gonna be interesting.
What do you
channel.
mean next way? This way?
Yeah, that way. No.
This way?
No, not that.
Okay, but you're not looking.
Cause, okay, this is how you're supposed to hold it. You're supposed to hold it like this.
This thing is heavy.
Yeah, but you gotta get used to it. What the hell?
My arm
You work out, so I
hurting. So
don't know why you're complaining for.
Yeah, I work up a little at my muscles compared to his.
I'm gonna show you how to work out properly.
Like, look at this.
You're not supposed to have bigger muscles than me. You crazy? What's wrong with you? Unless you're trying to get jacked.
Some females got huge ass muscles. What are you talking about?
So everybody eats different things. For me, I like this. There's like other things I eat, but I'm just showing you what I like to eat right now. I'll show you guys that in another video. You're cutting off my head, bro. Yo, fam.
It's not my fault that you're so tall.
Well, hold the thing properly. You gotta hold it up. This is like the best cooking vlog ever. 2 idiots on a camera. Holy. So that's the finished product. I gotta try this stuff. It tastes alright. But you have to remember this healthy seasoning stuff, right? So everything, like that one. The jerk chicken one. They just taking everything from every country and making money off of it. But anyways, that's the meal prep that me and Princess did. Horrible camera person.
Whatever.
But we'll get used to it. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.